Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use CouponBet for adding, for example, a customer who would like to have visa processing. One of the most important things, especially right now, is that visa processing is getting more and more important because most customers are starting to move from locally more to internationally. And one of the most trending destinations right now is Korea and Japan. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a visa processing for a customer who would like to go to Japan. So let's start right away. First of all, once you're logged in, you're going to dashboard. You're in the dashboard page, as you can see here. What you have to do is you have to click here on Booking Manager. In the Booking Manager, you will see all the bookings from every customer. And what we want to do is now we want to add a new booking, and this booking will be related to a Japan visa processing. So I will click on this, and in here you will see instantly all the details that you have to put in. So let's start with this right away. In this case, we have here a company, and this company is offering a tour to Japan. So what will be the company? Let's call this Sharp Incorporate. And the lead person, so who's the contact person for this? In this case, it's Mr. James Chui. And his email is James C. Yeah, you can see here that's his email. Please note this is all a fictional email, so everything here does not exist. This booking is a fictional booking. So then here we have to put in the phone number. So let's put in the phone number. And 345 90909. All right. Once we have the customer details, then we have to put in the travel details, and the travel details is all in here. Oh no, we don't need visa and airfare. We only need visa processing. So documentation only. So NSO, passporting, visa processing, etc. All right. So you can see once you select the right section, instantly it pops up, or everything what is related will pop up. So in this case here, you have the destination of the documentation, so it's Japan. And we can click here on selecting the month of this. That will be 17 April, and amount of people. In this case, we have 4 people who are going to Japan, so they're inquiring for that. And mode of payment is a bank deposit. Other options are also possible, but bank deposit for this customer. And the total price of this is 4,400. And the Japan visa processing. So here we have to put in documentation fee. So how much is the fee for this? In total, it's 3,800. Once you have that, any special request, well, we can say, for example, please call customer once the visa has been approved. So that was a special request from the customer. Once we have everything like that, we can click here on save, and there you are. So we can now search for Sir James Chui. Let's search here. And you can see here this book means this is for passporting and documentation, and this is our customer. 17 April, 4 packs going to Japan, James Chui. If you click on this, you can see we have only information from Sir James, and we can see also a special request. Please call customer once the visa has been approved. And you can see here what is the cost, what the customer paid, how much we paid for the documentation service, and what is our markup. And that looks all very, very well. So that's basically how you can organize your travel agency by adding a booking in here. And if you're interested in organizing your travel agency, so all you have to do is to register for CouponBet.com. So just go to CouponBet.com, and once you're here, just click here on sign up now, and you get a free 3 months trial. In here, fill up the registration form and click on register now. The moment you did that, you get an email in your inbox. Check the email, and in the email you'll find a confirmation link. Click on that confirmation link to confirm your account. Once your account has been confirmed by clicking on it, you're ready to log in and you're ready to go. Instantly you're approved, and you can start using the website right away. So no need to wait for anything else. And that's basically it. So what are you waiting for? Register now at couponbet.com.